Hey, today we're going to do a quick review of the multi-use car tray available on mycarstuff.shop. Mine actually fits on the side compartment of the driver's side door, but it's really nice. It just attaches to the steering wheel. You slide it underneath like that, turn it until it catches, and you're all set. It's a nice little workspace. Hold your laptop if you work on the go. I know a lot of people that are in sales go dealership to dealership or wherever you're going, home improvement store to home improvement store. Maybe you have to update your notes in here. You have your drink, you have your Red Bull, whatever energy drink keeps you going. You have your meal here. This is a really nice little workstation. You can jot down some notes. You can do whatever it is that you need to do to keep going. And then when you're done, you just angle it down, slide it off. And then for me, I'll just put it back over here on the side and I'm ready to go.